Today I'm going to be showing you how to make anything glow in Blender. First, let's glow this default cube. Go to Cycles Render and then go to Material and then Use Nodes and then change this to emission and then let's put the center here. You can see here, to get some light to see, you can just put a plane. See, it is making light. Let's put it to 2. Anything perfect? Yeah, 1. Now, it isn't giving off any volumetric light. To do that, just go to Compositing and then click on Backdrop and Use Nodes. And then do Shift A and then do, where is it? Filter and then glare. And then fill and then output viewer image to here and then this and then this image to this image and then render it for one time. Yeah, here you can see it rendered and then it will come here. Wait for some time. It's rendering. My computer's a bit slow. Yeah, now it came here. And to make the glare work, just here you see threshold, just do this and then put auto render on. It's getting brighter and brighter. If you go to 0, everything will light up. We don't want that. We can just put 0.01 enter. Yeah. No, 0.1. This is the great one. And then put it, you can ever want here. Let's put it medium. There are also some things here. Simple star means it will give a star-like pattern. See? Let's put the 0.1 as the best. Medium, no. Simple star. You can also put ghosts here and like this it will come. It needs to come here and it is not coming. Oh, because yeah, now it is coming also here. You can make this larger, anything you want, and then you can also do fog glow. It just looks like normal. And then the great one is Strix. This is the default one. And to change the color, click here, default, and then just change here the color. Let's put it half blue, yeah, and then this bits of green. Now see, yeah, this little bit. Yeah, now it's getting better. Yeah. And this is not the real one. Go to compositing again and then render it again. Wait for some time. Now it is rendering the pink one. It will render for some time. It will render for so much time because I am in my cycles render. Cycles render takes a lot time to render. Rendering. That just to go fast. Yeah. Now it came. Fog glow. It just looks like fog is there a little bit. Yeah. Go with what looks best to you. See? You can also see it here. You cannot zoom in here like that. You can zoom in here only like that. Let's go with single star. Fog glow. Let's go with this. It looks like it's best. Now let's render it. To render the full image, just go here and then press F3. Then here you can just browse your folder. I just go to here and then put glowing cube and then save as image. Now if you go to the folder, let's go. See, it's here. Yeah. Now thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. And you can do anything with this. You can put this cube anywhere, or you can make your own object that can do this. Now thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye!